on Friday, on Saturday, and on Sunday again. All the days of the week, all the 4 days of the 4 market days in Igbo land, evil activities are happening. Cases of kidnaps, murder, fighting, rituals, social mayhem, antisocial things, anti-people activities, anti-human things. Every kind of evil is happening in our land. But of all this, the most disturbing is that of the invading terror organizations that the government of Nigeria choose to give a soft landing name: bandits, cattle rearers. When you push harder, they will tell you cattle rustlers, a community clash. What have you, the Igbo people, done to salvage the situation? Oh yes, the Igbo people were having issues in Ghana. Oh, the internet space was agog. Wonderful. Thank you for wading into that matter. But I want to ask, is that issue as disturbing as the menace in our land? Nobody, Enugu State now, different communities in Enugu already have, deserted their land. Ahamufu's case have remained. How many times have the Traditional Rulers Council called a meeting to summon Peter Mba? Why are you selling land and arresting people who oppose the sale of land to the terror organizations in Enugu? The Traditional Rulers Council, as super active, as proactive, as reactive as you are showing to us today that you are, why haven't you welded into that matter in Enugu? Imo State is now a tradition. It's now a tradition since the incoming of the Supreme Court puppet, the Fulani puppet in Imo State government house. Now, what is it? What is happening there in Imo State? How many times have you, this good, proactive and reactive Traditional Rulers Council, how many times have you summoned the hopeless Uzodimba to ask him questions? That you have never done. But you are running into what is happening in Ghana. People will clap for you. You have banished every diaspora.